Hello, my name's Helen and I've got a big box to open. I'm opening it inside today because it's raining. So, first things first, let's get in here. Voila! In this box is my new Cyrusher bike and we've been waiting for this to come. I'm very excited to receive it and also to show it to you and test it out and see what we think.
Should we get it unboxed?
Let's get it unboxed. Where to start?
It's very well packed, isn't it?
Let's start with the packing. It's very well packed. Lots of foam around it. Let's do this sensibly. We've just lifted it out of the box as a whole, and this is how it was in the box. And you can see it's got loads of padding. It's been really, really well packed. So now we're going to put it all together, see what it looks like. Let's have a look at the tools that come with it. Oh, quite a lot in here. Set of Allen keys. Very good. Pump. Oh, love a bell. Oh, that's a good spanner thing. Pedals. And this. This is the charger. And an instruction book. Perfect.
I do love the fact that everything is really well padded, isn't it?
Woo! Let me jump.
That'll be the mudguard opening up. Okay, front wheel.
Junky tyres.
So much packing, so good. Nice bit of packing around the rear derailleurs as well. That's really good. Everything is really well thought through. Nearly there. Even the light's got packing around it.
That's good. You don't want to receive it broken. So
we've got an assembly guide. Tells us how to put the front wheel in, everything else. To be fair, there's only a page and a half. It's fairly self-explanatory. Let's crack on with it. Let's start with the handlebars, shall we? Locks in. Next job, get our Allen keys, 5mm. There we go.
Is that the right way around?
It is. As you can see here, we have various marks we can line up and set the angle of the handlebars. We'll just put them on loosely for the minute, and once they're on and everything is built, we'll adjust it to fit Helen's size.
Yes.
We'll just knit these up loosely and we'll adjust it to fit when we're ready to go out on the bike. So this looks really cool. We've got Shimano gears, a nice little display here that will pop up once we get everything done, and the battery controls. Right, let's crack on and fit the front wheel. First step is to remove this light, which is in the wrong place.
It's probably there because it protected it there while it was packaging.
It did.
Packaging? While it was being...
During transit, I think is what you're looking for.
That's the words I'm looking for. Keep it safe during transit.
So now we've got the light off before we fit the front wheel. Let's put the mudguard in place.
Just the screw on the light go through the mudguard and that's what holds it all in position.
That's correct. That goes to the top, and then we've got 2 Allen bolts at the bottom here, which we'll put on once we've got the wheel in place.
Cool.
So the next thing to do is to remove the spacer on the bottom of the forks. Clang.
Clang.
And off comes our spacer.
So is that just for transport?
That's just for transport. Here, this side, we need to remove brake disc protector. And remember to put the wheel in with the brake disc on the correct side. Next thing to do is to loosen off here. And you'll see at the bottom we have keyed washers. These are going to go in these holes here, which stop the wheel from moving. Right, if you can lift it up, please. My little sugar plum fairy. Okay, and that's keyed in, and that's keyed in. As you'll see from here, this keyed washer is now in the hole at the top, which means the wheel can't slip out. Supplied spanner, so we don't even need to grab any of our own tools. And there we go, wheels on.
Love the colour.
It is a really awesome colour, isn't it? Yeah. Incredibly easy to build. Been really thought through well. So you don't need to be an engineer or a bicycle genius to put it together. And everything you need
has been supplied.
Let's put some pedals on. We look on the crank. We have the right hand crank is clearly marked and the pedal is marked as the right hand pedal. So we know which pedal goes in. It just literally twists into the crank. You do this with your fingers alone. Nip it up, and that's the right pedal on. I'll let Helen put on the left one.
Done.
We need to adjust the seat height. We need to adjust the height of the handlebars, which we can do here. Comes with 3 keys.
That's useful.
That's really useful. 1 to lose and 2 to store. Because I lose keys for everything. This is really nice. A little bit of neoprene around all of the cables down here.
That keeps
them
neat. We
have the integrated front light. It's adjustable front shocks.
Oh, cool.
There, which is really good. And as we've shown earlier, the handlebars and the stem collapse. This is an EU legal bike, which means that it's got a 250 watt motor. And speed is limited to 25 kilometres an hour, or if you're in the UK, it's around about 15 miles per hour. We've got Shimano Tourne gears and a big battery tucked away underneath. There's integrated rear light, and the mudguard's already fitted on, and disc brake. Turn the battery on and see if we have any charge.
Oh, yes.
So look, we're shipped with a full charge.
Oh, this is cool. Look, this big display here.
Let's get this set up for Helen's size. Our weather has picked up a little bit. Run the time it took us to build it, which was about 20 minutes all in. The rain stopped. Helen can't wait to have a go on it. This is really cool.
Get on with it. Let me pedal. Cool. Beep, beep. Oh, we haven't put the bell on.
The rear light's on.
It's really comfy. I can tell the difference with the motor when you've got it on the different power levels. Obviously, when you stop pedalling, it stops powering.
Perfect dog chasing material.
Ah. You want to come on it? You can't, you're a dog. That's good, really comfy, really easy to cycle, really easy to use the buttons. John's going to have a quick go up and down the drive just to see what he thinks.
Wow, this is really easy. What a comfortable seating position.
Come back!
This is only on level 1 and it's so easy. To be fair, even with the motor turned off, it's really easy to pedal. Level 4!
Woo!
So I hope you've enjoyed this. It was a very quick unboxing because we've got a lot on at the moment, but stick with us because in a couple of weeks we'll give you the full review of this bike. We'll go down through all of the specs. We'll have used it a bunch, and Helen's got some interesting tests in store for me that she's just told me about, so keep an eye out for that one. We're going to have a lot of fun with the Cyrusher Rumble 2.0. Okay, so it's starting to rain.
Come back to us soon when it's stopped raining and we've had a chance to read the instructions and test it out. Bye.
See you soon.